Hey everyone out there, this is Michael Tully at the law office of Bernard Tully and the Tully Law Firm. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm going to talk to you about some of the legal issues that have arisen during the coronavirus crisis, particularly for retailers and their shoppers. So the first instance I'm going to discuss here is actually occurred in the United Kingdom, so we're going across the pond. This happened in early March before some of the more stringent restrictions on hoarding and also how many people are allowed in the building. This 14-year-old girl was in line at Costco, and it was essentially like a Black Friday incident. The store essentially opened the doors and allowed everyone to rush in at one time. And they were all, of course, going for the toilet paper, which was seemingly everyone's biggest concern when this outbreak first started. So in this big rush, this 13-year-old girl who was in a wheelchair was knocked over and severely injured. So that raises some questions. Do you think the store should be held legally responsible? Do you think they should have put in more safety measures, maybe staggered people going in at one time, just like what many stores are doing now? Or do you think that young lady accepted the risk of getting in line and seeing this rush that was about to happen, accepted it, and therefore the store shouldn't be held responsible? Or do you think the store should have taken extra steps to prevent this type of harm, which seemingly is foreseeable when you simply open the doors and allow a horde into your store? The second instance I want to talk to you about is a very tragic circumstance. I believe it happened just the other night. I'm not sure what city, but as you know, in Pittsburgh, Giant Eagles require you to wear a face mask whenever you go into the store, or otherwise they will refuse you entry. The security guard that was manning the entrance to ensure these restrictions are followed in order to prevent the spread of this virus refused entry to a woman because she did not have a face mask. Now, this woman goes back, gets her father and her brother, go back to the store where the security guard was, and shoots him and kills him. It's just a tragic set of circumstances. And obviously the woman that facilitated this should be held responsible along with her father and brother. But what about the store? Do you think that the family of the security guard that was shot and killed, simply doing his job, do you think he has a claim against the store? Do you think there should have been more than one security guard at the front? Do you think there should have been any other preventive measures? These are just some of the legal issues that are developing, and what standards should these retailers in these markets, what should they be held to? I think we're going to see a lot of development, and this is obviously new case law, and we'll see how things develop, but we'll be ready for anything, and I hope everyone's staying safe right now. I hope this gave you something to think about, and I hope you guys are having a good day. Thank you.